Welcome to everyone. Today in this video we will discuss how to fix do not disturb keeps turning on Samsung A04S. Let's start the video if you want to fix this problem. So first of all, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down to and click on software update. Click on download and install. You will check your software update is latest. If it not latest, update your software latest. After update software latest, go back to home screen. You will see your problem is solved. But if it not solved, if you want to fix this problem, go to app library, click on settings app. Now in setting, scroll down and click on notifications and click on do not disturb. If you want to fix this problem, so make sure turn off do not disturb mode. After turn off do not disturb mode, you will see your problem is solved. But if it's still not solved, click on settings app, click on general management, scroll down and click on reset and click on reset all settings. Reset setting, enter phone pin, click on continue. So it just reset all setting, it's not clean, and remove your phone memory and data. After the process, go back to home screen. Please subscribe for more new latest videos. Thanks for watching.